G'day YouTubers, well it's Rob here again. I haven't done a video for quite a while. I've been flat out doing work and I thought I'd just show you my new toy. It's a Wrong Fu 4x6 inch bandsaw, metal cutting bandsaw, and I picked it up off of Gumtree for 85 bucks, which I thought was pretty good really, considering yeah, these things go for sort of, you know, well over 300 bucks new, and I've been looking for one of these for quite a while. Never had a bandsaw and used to cut everything with friction discs, and yeah, this old girl's not too bad. Yeah, it's, you know, a few years old, but yeah, it's a bit rusty. It's missing one of the vice jaws. I've got to make up a vice jaw for it. But that was really what was wrong with it. The blade that was in it was stuffed. It had been standing outside in the weather, and the original 1/3 horsepower motor was pretty suspect. The bearings didn't sound too good, and I had a 1 horsepower motor, so I whacked that on. I thought, well, got it, might as well use it, and with that on, that cuts through the steel and stuff. No problem whatsoever. All the gearbox, everything's good, and I've been working on it today to try and make up a latch to stop the arm coming up when you move it, because these things are very top heavy, and you know, the original wheels that came with it were crappy little things, so I put some really wide ones on, so it's a lot better to wheel around, and yeah, it's a good unit. I'm quite happy, you know, for the money. I think it's fantastic. But you can see the workshop's a real mess at the moment. I've got that much stuff dragged out that I've been working on. You can see the airline where I've got the AR 2000 regulator on the wall there. I'm using that for air supply, and it's fantastic. It's so much better having air right above the bench. And on the right hand side you can see I've got high pressure outlet that's 90 psi straight from the regulator on the compressor, and on the left is the low pressure outlet that's regulated by the AR 2000, and yeah, it works really good. Yeah, here's the setup. You can see I've got airline coming in from the compressor, and I've got 2 connectors. I've got a branch union here, so that's 90 in there, 90 out there, and then you can go through the regulator, and it's tapping off at what is it, 45 psi for the air duster. Of course you can regulate that. There's no air in the system at the moment. I've got it turned off, but oh, it's great just having the you know, use a little die grinder. You've got the all the gear, and makes it so easy. Yeah, you can see on the bench here, you know, got the airline coming off with the die grinder, and I use that all the time. This is one of the best little gadgets you could possibly get. Got a diamond burr, I've been using that. And then I've got the bigger die grinder, which I use for cutting stuff. Just got a cut off disc in that. That's good. I've been welding. Oh, get out of it. Yeah, I've been welding and been brazing, and I've been flat out lately, doing jobs, trying to get stuff tidied up. It's never ending. So anyway, that's my workshop. At the moment it's a bit of a mess, and I really need more bench space. I just seem to clutter up all the bloody time, but you can pan across and see there's not much room to do anything at the moment. And then I've got the gas bottles out. I've been brazing, bronzing. It's just endless. Tools dragged out, so I have to put it all away. And yeah, it's my new pride and joy, my new toy. I tell you what, they're fantastic things. I never realised these things were so good. That it goes through steel, you know, whereas before I was using friction discs and stuff, or a hacksaw, This thing cuts through the metal like crazy. It's a brilliant little gadget, but yeah, really good. And there's my old lathe over there, on the Chinese job on the left and the Shawble on the right. But the workshop's just not big enough. Anyway, there you go. It's a bit of a heads up where I'm at the moment. It's been a while since I posted anything. You can see the new wheels I put on the saw. The saws are great, but they tip over easy. I mean, if that arm swings up and you're wheeling it, the whole thing can go arse up in no time. It's not a great setup. So I've been trying to make up a lock to lock the arm down, stop it flicking up while you wheel it, and I think I've got something worked out. So if it works, I'll do a video and you can see how I did it. But work in progress. Okay, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.